Hi everyone, today I'll be delivering a pitch on Swift, a Souls-like roguelite dungeon crawler. Before we start, I just want to say that Swift is not an entirely new project. In fact, it's somewhat developed already, but there's still a lot of room for development in terms of game design and content, which I'll go into later. With that out of the way, we have prepared a trailer to showcase a bit about the game, and after that I'll talk more about the current state of the game as well as the development roadmap. Now that you have an idea of how the game looks like, I'll go into a bit more detail about some of the features and game mechanics as well as the kind of experience that we're trying to deliver. So as a Souls-like game, we hope to create an unforgiving but rewarding combat experience. And as a roguelite dungeon crawler, we hope to make each one unique through diverse character build variety as well as a procedural level generation. Build variety is done through unique weapons, player upgrades in a skill tree, as well as equipables called modules. We also have a unique charge cycling mechanic showcased in this video. If you look at the top left corner of the screen, as the player attacks, charge is gained on the offhand weapons. As the player swaps weapons, it triggers a unique powerful charge state of the weapon. The player can use each weapon to charge each other and in this way, continuously cycle through the weapons to trigger charge states. We have some other mechanics that tie into this charging mechanic, but for now that's the gist of it. Next, I'll introduce a little bit about who we are and what we do. My name is Qi Ting and I'm a Year 3 Computer Science student. I work on code, music and sound and game mechanics.
Hi, I'm Xuan and I'm working with Qi Ting. I'm also a Year 3 CS and Math double degree student. I mostly work on code, UI art and game mechanics. So, what are we looking for? We're looking for game designers and level designers who preferably already have a good amount of experience in Unity. Some of the things that we'll be working on if you sign up as a game designer will be new player upgrades and equipment, such as weapons, abilities, and skill trees. As a level designer, you can design new level environments using assets that we have, as well as new enemies that fit in those new levels. If you're worried about things like how much creative freedom you have when designing this new content, we're quite flexible and open to ideas, so you can pretty much have full autonomy when designing. We will also familiarize you with our current systems, so you don't have to do everything from scratch, and can focus on the actual design work.
Some of the things that you can learn are firstly, advanced Unity techniques. As listed here, firstly we have the Unity adjustable system, which deals with how you package and load assets dynamically. Next is the Unity UI system, VFX graph and shader graphs, Unity animator, which are quite self-explanatory, as well as data-driven game assets. It's similar to the adjustable system, which deals with how you dynamically load data and create your assets. Aside from Unity-specific things, you can possibly pick up general programming skills, such as learning C# at deeper level, software engineering principles and practices, as well as functional programming, the functional programming style for Unity games. Lastly, this is the development roadmap that we currently have. Just to briefly summarize, we'll firstly do some onboarding where we introduce you to the code base and guide you through how to create things using the current system. Then we will start to work on the actual content, creating new weapons, then enemies, then levels. But all these things is still a conservative estimate, and we might be able to design more things based on time and manpower. So that's all for the pitch. Thanks for listening.
If you want to check out Swift, you can visit this link over here on each.io. You can let us know what you think, and thank you.